All right, y'all, I'm back with another cleaning motivation. Happy Tuesday. So y'all, look, this is how my washing machine have been looking, and it literally has been driving me up the wall. Like, look at it. I was like, I keep bypassing to clean it. So what I did was took my screws out right here with my drill. I got my screws on over here, and this lifts completely up. Look at all that buildup. Look at it. It all comes off. Alright. So I'm going to get in and I'm going to clean it. Y'all don't come for me with my glass. This right here is messed up. Last year I broke my glass, and instead of me trying to get a whole new washing machine, we just end up plexiglassing it down, and then the glue end up coming off. But as long as it washes the clothes, I'm fine. Alright, I'm going to come in with some of my favorite cleaner. It's my Whip It. Whip It. Shout out to Whip It. Alright, y'all. So I just had to pour my Dawn dish soap literally in a container because I couldn't get the power washer spray on out. I think I got like the shower head a little messed up. Alright, I got me a bucket of water, and then I am just going to get to work. Refill that water up. Let's get all this. Let's get sitting there and change. Can't forget to clean that. So you gotta take time to clean the washing machine. Look at that. Overall, I believe I did a fantastic job. I just got to figure out how to get that back in here, but all that down there, that's stained. See, it's stained. It's not any cleaner or anything, but that's stained too. But I got to figure out how to get that piece in there. But like and subscribe for more cleaning tips.